Let us do chapter number 5, Prakash the Peacock. Let us start. In this story, the characters are storyteller. Storyteller is the person who tells us the story. Prakash the Peacock. There is one peacock whose name is Prakash. A teacher. Chotu the Peachik. Peachik is a baby peacock. And other peacocks. These are the characters in the story. Now let us start reading. Storyteller. Prakash was a beautiful peacock. He never danced in front of the other little peacocks because he was shy. So there was a peacock whose name was Prakash. It was very beautiful peacock and he never danced in front of other peacocks. Why? Because the peacock was very shy. Shy means feel afraid to be or talk to others. So, it was shy to talk to others. All the other peacocks loved their dancing lessons. So, the other peacocks used to love their dancing lessons. But Prakash would run away and hide from them. But what did Prakash did? Prakash used to hide from other peacocks when it was time for dancing lessons. Enter the little peacocks and their dance teacher. The peacocks can be seen dancing. So in this picture, there is a teacher who is teaching the other peacocks to dance. Teacher says, 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin around once and spin once one more time. So teacher what did? Teacher started counting and said to spin around, that is to turn around and again turn around one more time, that is they have to turn around 2 times. The little peacocks move their feet. Prakash watches them from behind a big thorny bush. So as you can see that other peacocks are dancing and this is Prakash. Prakash is hiding behind a thorny bush. It is hiding from in the bushes and looking to other peacocks. Other peacocks together while dancing. While they were dancing, they say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us leap high. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down we land again. So they started counting and started dancing. First, they leap high. Leap means to jump up high. Then after that, down we land again. Then they jump and then they land. Prakash tries the dance as well. Behind the bushes, Prakash was also trying the same dance. Prakash, whispering to himself. Prakash was talking to himself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me leap high. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down I land again. So, Prakash was also following the same steps as the teacher was teaching to other peacocks. But Prakash was doing behind the bushes. Storyteller. Of course, it was not a good idea to practice jumping near a thorny bush. Prakash crashed into the thorny bush. So as the Prakash was dancing behind the bushes, it fell down and it got hurt because there were thorny bushes. Prakash, oh, as it got hurt, so he shouted, oh. Teacher, what's the noise? So teacher heard the noise and said that what's that noise? The teacher runs towards the thorny bush. So the teacher came towards the thorny bush near Prakash. Teacher, Prakash, what are you doing here? Why aren't you dancing on the soft ground with all the others? So teacher said to Prakash that why are you dancing behind the thorny bushes? Why are you not dancing here? Here the land is soft. All the little peacocks look at Prakash in surprise. Prakash feels too shy to reply. As Prakash was very shy, so all the other peacocks were looking at him, so he does not say anything. Chotu is one of the Peachik. Rudely. Prakash can't dance. Prakash can't even talk. All he can do is hop. So Chotu said, that Prakash do not dance and also do not talk. All he do is hop. Hop means to jump, to make small jumps. So Chotu said that Prakash only hops and doesn't talk and dance. Teacher, shaking his head, stop teasing him. Chotu, don't listen to him, Prakash. So teacher said to Chotu that stop teasing. Teasing means laughing at or making fun of someone in an unkind way. So teacher said don't tease Prakash. That is, don't laugh at him. So the teacher said to Prakash, Prakash, don't listen to them. Come here. Prakash runs away to a quiet corner of the forest. So listening to this, Prakash ran away from that place and went to the corner of the forest. Prakash, crying. Prakash was crying. I never want to see another peacocks again. Suddenly, crack goes the thunder. Then Prakash went to the corner of the forest and said, I don't want to meet the other peacocks. And then after that, suddenly there was a thunder in the sky. He heard the sound crack. Prakash, what was that? He has never heard that, so he questioned to himself that what is that? Storyteller, Prakash had never heard thunder before. He had never listened to this thunder. Prakash looks up at the sky. There are dark clouds in the evening sky. So when Prakash looked in the sky, it was all dark and there were dark clouds in the evening sky. It was the evening time. Prakash, oh, look at the clouds. The clouds are as purple as big jamun fruit. How lovely they look. So how was the sky looking? Sky was all purple like a jamun fruit. It was looking lovely. Flash goes the lightning. Big raindrops start to fall from the sky. So suddenly there was a flash, that is, there was a thunder, and it started raining. Prakash, happily, I feel like dancing. I want to dance to the sound of the raindrops. So Prakash, what? Because of happiness, it feels like dancing. So Prakash started dancing on the sound of raindrops. So this was how the sky was looking, and there was a flash and thunder in the sky. Prakash opens his tail out like a fan and starts dancing. While he is dancing, the little peacocks find him and form a circle around him. So this is Prakash. He has opened his tail and was dancing, and the other peacocks find him and started looking at him, making a circle. Chotu, you are such a wonderful dancer, Prakash. I am sorry I was so rude. Why don't you dance with us? So the Chotu said that you dance so well. I am sorry that I said those things and for being rude. So Chotu asked that, will you dance with us? Other peacocks, we want to be your friends. Please don't hide from us anymore. Will you come to dance class with us tomorrow? We will dance from morning to evening. So other peacocks said to Prakash that, will you come with us in the dance class? We will dance from morning to evening. Teacher, Prakash, look, you have so many friends, so don't be shy anymore. So teacher said to Prakash that, see, you have now so many friends. You should not be shy now. Prakash, smiling, nodding his head. Yes, I will come to dance class tomorrow. I don't think I feel shy ever again. So then Prakash was smiling and said, yes, I will come to the dancing class and I will not be shy anymore. They all walk back home together. Then after that, they all went back to home together. So this was the story about Prakash the peacock.